Yo, how's it going? I'm here for day 109 of Fergal's Tune a Day. Late night tune tonight. I'm just in the door from a wonderful night of music in Campbell's Tavern in Headford. We saw a night of Leonard Cohen music with Pauline Scanlon and the Whileaways and Willie Merrigan and Matt Burrell, Dave Clancy, Eamon Murray. Fantastic night of music. They're touring around the country. They're in Headford the next couple of nights, all sold out, and then they're down in Dingle and they're around the place. So if you see it advertised, go and see it. Fantastic night. Here's the tune called The Victory Reel. See you tomorrow for day 110. Good luck.